Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finna unbox the Hemudu TV monitor stand model HT05B002. One thing I love about it is the product presentation. You see what the product is. So if it's on any retail store such as Target, Walmart, Best Buy, BJ's, Costco's, etc., any retail store, you see what the product looks like and you can purchase it. Now, this is Hemudu TV stand / computer stand as well, holds up to 13 to 34 inches. Support weight up to 44 pounds. So if you go over 44 pounds, it will tilt over. And I will be putting their website link in the description below, so y'all can go ahead and look at other products by Hemudu, and y'all can go ahead and purchase it. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing of the product. Alrighty, if you don't know what you're doing, always refer to your instructions. You cannot go wrong with this. Okay, what we get here is 2 stands. Okay, you get your VESA support bracket, which holds up to 50 by 50, 75 by 75, and 100 by 100. You get 2, because this supports 2 monitors as well as 2 TVs. You get your bracket support for your base. You get your mounting screws, as well as your Velcro stands, your feet, and your cable management guide. And you get your bracket support to support the 2 brackets in the back, as well as your screws. You get 2 packs. Alright. And this is why I say handle with care. You get the glass base with that as well. Okay, since I did the unboxing of it, let's install it. Also keep in mind that my Scepter 32-inch TVs has a 200 by 100 VESA back mount. I already installed those already. I had to purchase those individually. So if you're installing TVs up to 32 inches, make sure you have the right VESA mount for your TVs. Now if you go on 27 inches or lower, some of them may have 100 by 100, or they may have a 200 by 100. So make sure that you go ahead on and purchase that bracket from Amazon. I'll be putting that link in the description below, so if you need another VESA mount bracket, you can go ahead and purchase it yourself from Amazon or any other retail store. Okay, enough talking, let's install it. All right, everybody, she is done. Look at her, looking nice, looking good, looking clean. Yes, y'all see the two big 32 inches sitting up here. Now keep in mind each TV is 13.8 pounds. So that's 13.8 pounds, 13.8 pounds. You're looking at 27.6 pounds on this cell. Okay, easy installation. It didn't take that long. The length of the stand is 9.4. The width of the stand is 14.2, and the height of the bar is 32.2 inches. So yes, she's good to clean. Now she does have a tilt. You can tilt her to the height you like. Or if you want one swivel this way, you can swivel this one that way. Or you can swivel the other one away. So you know you could go ahead on and have one working on that monitor there. You can have the other one working on the bottom monitor. Now for me, it is going to be basically for my needs because I'm saving space on my desk. Okay, I'm saving much space on my desk. So I can just sit down here and do my thing as I'm on the desk, at my desk doing my videos. I can have everything functioning perfectly. Now I cannot go wrong with it. They came with this nice good cable management guide, so I will be setting that up. Just go ahead on and just go ahead and make it look nice and neat. So you got your cable management guide in the back. Now just like I said in the back, I did the VESA mount installation. These you have to order. Those are VESA mount brackets. So if you order your VESA mount brackets separately, you could go ahead on and mount big boy TVs like 32 inches or 27 inches using these brackets here, because that's on a 200 by 100 VESA mount bracket. And then you just go ahead and connect your 100 by 100 mount bracket to the mount brackets, and then you'll be easy good to go. But other than that, she's looking nice and not bad for a good investment. I will be putting all the link in the description below from the TVs. If you want to, if you want to go TV monitors, that's great. If you want to go 32-inch monitors, that is great. Now keep in mind this holds up to 44 pounds, so make sure that you know your pounds of your monitors and television. If your televisions are over 44 pounds, like you got one monitor 30 pounds and the other monitor 30 pounds, that's 60 pounds, and the thing is going to tilt over, so you don't want no tilting here. But other than that, she's looking good, she's looking nice. I'll be putting all the descriptions in the link. I'll be putting all the descriptions in the I'll be putting the link of everything in the description below, so you can go ahead and click on it. If you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can go ahead and purchase it. I'll be putting the Hemudu website from there, because they're affiliated with Amazon, so you cannot go wrong with it. I love it. I love the height of it. Now when I did it, I had everything compressed together, so I guess this is the right height. I could go ahead and put my cameras in the middle, or I could put one to the top and one in the middle. I just got to go ahead and do everything right now, because now here comes the cable management. I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button on the way out, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Alright everybody, this is the final take and the final presentation of the Hemudu HT05B002. The stand looks nice. This is what I wanted, this is what I was going for. I was going for the double monitors by the stands, by the monitors setting up by side each other, but I said I wanted something different, because when you look at everybody's setup, they have the double arms monitor stands or different stand where all the monitor run side by side, but this is exactly what I wanted by Hemudu. She looks nice. I gotta get used to it because I ain't figured that she was gonna be this tall, but 32.2 inches tall on the base is 9.4 with a 14.5 width. She's nice. They also do have the clamps that you can drill a hole into the desk, or if you already have a desk with the hole drilled into it, you could go ahead and buy the clamp off their website, or you can just go ahead and buy the hole for a double extended with the clamp, which I'll be putting that link in the description below as well too, with the website as well too. So you can go ahead and look at their products and see if Hemudu TV monitor stands are good for you. This is double. I love it. They got the singles, they got the doubles, whatever you like from Hemudu, they have it. And the good thing about it, it did not even break the bank. Most of the stands I was looking at was running from the range of $59.99 all the way up to $499. Yes, from $59 to $499. This here was about $34.99, and the clamp was like $44.99. Like I said, I'll be putting the website link in the description below. You can find Hemudu off Amazon. I can't go wrong with it. This is exactly what I wanted. Now as you see, I got the double, the top and bottom monitors exactly. So when I'm doing my video recording, I ain't gotta sit down here and turn and shut the camera off. Everything is right in front of me, so that's exactly what I was going for. So she looks nice. I still gotta go ahead and finish up because I gotta go ahead and connect base 2 up now. You know, my main baby here. So I'm on my gaming rig right now. So yes, I gotta go ahead and finish doing some more cable management. Cable management is a little spot on, but it works for me because once, like I said, I breaks her down to do some cleaning. You know, my tabletops are getting dusty. I had to wipe those down. But other than that, Hemudu HT05B002 is looking nice. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Will I recommend this here? Absolutely. I will recommend this here. I might be buying another ring light stand, but I might just like to leave it like that. I do like the way I got my camcorder set up in between the middle. I mean, this baby looking nice. I just got to go ahead and get used to the height and everything just different now. I gotta go ahead and get used to it. I will say about maybe a week or so to go ahead and get used to everything. But other than that, she's nice. And I want to thank y'all for watching my final product presentation of Hemudu TV and monitor stand model HT05B002. And I'll see y'all in the next unboxing. Peace.